They are 7, 8, and 10 and forced to grow up without their mother. The man responsible will be incarcerated for a long time. Vicente David Romero walked into court and gave his attorney a weak smile. That would be the last. He did not react as the father of Kelsey King aimed his anger directly at the 34-year-old.
How do I tell her children that your mother is dead because some wordless piece of shit wanted to have sex with her and slipped her poison that killed her within 3 minutes of her taking it?
King's 26-year-old daughter died in 2020 after taking half a pill that Romero knew contained fentanyl. His second-degree murder conviction by a jury is the first of its kind. The prosecution instructed them to consider implied malice.
When the indecency of an act that causes death is met with the inhumanity of doing such an act, knowing it is dangerous to human life, that is what we have defined implied malice murder as.
But Romero's attorney defended his client this way in hopes of a lenient sentence.
He wanted to help. He tried to help. He put himself out, put himself at risk to help. He's here because he stayed there.
The defense fell on deaf ears for a mother grieving the loss of her only daughter.
The pain is paralyzing on some days. It's very hard to believe she's not just out there somewhere.
The judge sympathized with Kelsey's parents, and before sentencing, he addressed those in court with the hope his warning about the lethality of fentanyl would go much further.
That statement goes out loud and clear, not to enhance any conviction sought by the people or any prosecuting agency, but simply to save somebody else's life, to save the next Kelsey King.
And then the sentence, 15 years to life without possibility of parole, but with Romero's right to appeal.
You understand, even if your attorney tells you that he's going to do it, it is your responsibility and solely your responsibility to make sure that notice of appeal is filed.
Yes, sir.
The Riverside County DA is confident the conviction will stand up to appeal, and he is ready to use the same strategy on at least 25 other fentanyl death cases. In Murrieta, Susan Hirosuna, Fox 11 News.